Cable assemblers are the foundation of our company. Every product we deliver, every mission we support, every success story we celebrate, all of it is powered by the work that happens at the cable bench. Before a system takes flight, before a vehicle rolls out, before a payload goes into the field, it must first be connected. Those connections are not just wires and components. They are precision, skill, and experience, brought together by our cable assemblers. Without our cable assemblers, we would not have products ready to deliver to our customers. We would not have the reliability, the performance, or the high success rates our company is known for. Every cable harness, every connector, every carefully routed bundle is a commitment to quality and to the customer who depends on us. Automation can move fast. Machines can repeat the same motion again and again, but automation cannot see what a trained assembler sees. It cannot feel the subtle difference in a crimp, spot a potential issue before it becomes a problem, or adapt in real time to a complex build. Cable assemblers can do what automation cannot. They think, they adjust, they solve problems, and they make judgment calls that protect our products and our reputation. Each cable assembly is a piece of craftsmanship. It represents hours of training, deep attention to detail, and pride in getting it right the first time. From reading intricate drawings and work instructions, to managing tight tolerances and demanding specifications, cable assemblers turn complexity into clean, dependable solutions. Our customers trust our products because we trust our people, and at the heart of that trust are our cable assemblers. To every cable assembler, your work powers our products. Your skills protect our quality. Your dedication drives our success. You are not just part of the process, you are the foundation of this company.